Hello, good morning, good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to cook fish fried kimchi. So now I add the fish, garlic powder, cayenne powder, paprika, onion powder, dust, salt, seasoning, and also beef powder. So you have to massage and mix it well, and I add more garlic powder. So we try this kind of fish is swai fish. I don't know if the ocean or the sweet water. So I marinate this couple hours and I put inside the refrigerator. So I add oil inside the frying pan and then I coated with the cornstarch, our marinated fish. So thank you to all my supporters, silent viewers, and also followers, family, friends. Thank you so much to all of you. Please share this video, likes, and don't forget to leave comments and follow. So we turn our fish, as you can see, our fish is brown already. So I put a little bit of oil only, not much. So now our fish is ready. So I add garlic, fresh garlic, in the same oil that I fry the fish, and also a lot of ginger root or loya, and also chop onion. I put one whole of onions, white onion, and you have to stir it. And also one whole large medium tomato, chop. So the fish root. So we boiled it. So we have to add dark soy sauce like 2 tablespoons, fish sauce 1 teaspoon, oyster sauce like 1 tablespoon, and you have to make it swell. And also the kimchi cabbage, napa cabbage. So I add 3 tablespoons total brown sugar, and also bagoong or salted shrimp paste, bell pepper, red pepper or yellow pepper, and also black pepper. So simmer it. So our cabbage, napa cabbage, it gets a little bit soup, and also 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and add a little bit of water to get our sauce get sticky. So now we have to put our fried fish. So thank you again. To those mommy don't know how to cook, watch the video. So try. So thank you so much, guys. So please like and share my video, follow. So every time I upload my video, you're always updated. And onion chive or onion leaves, and also I add more bell pepper, red and green. So now our fried fish kimchi, it's really delicious, and I turn it. So we have to simmer it like 2 minutes, and then after that it's ready to serve. So I add more sugar. You have to try, guys. It's really good because this is kind of like spicy. Because the bell pepper is kind of like spicy. So now our fried fish kimchi is ready to serve. So you have to try. It's just really good. And my daughter told me that it's tasty, very tasty. So because I marinated that, guys, like for a couple hours. So now it's ready. Let's eat. So it's so yummy. I eat with the brown rice. Thank you again. Follow, like, and share. Don't forget to leave comment.